Ever wondered how your car changes gears or what the difference is between automatic and manual transmissions? If so, you've come to the right place. First up, we have the manual transmission, also known as a stick shift. This type of transmission requires the driver to manually choose and engage gears using a clutch pedal. Key components of a manual transmission include the gear shifter, clutch pedal, flywheel, and input-output shafts. When you press the clutch pedal, it disengages the engine from the transmission, allowing you to change gears. As you release the clutch, power is gradually transmitted from the engine to the wheels through the selected gear. Manual transmissions offer more control over the vehicle, often resulting in better fuel efficiency and a superior driving experience. However, they require more skill to operate, especially in heavy traffic, and may be less convenient for some drivers. Next, we have the automatic transmission, the most common type of transmission in modern cars. An automatic transmission includes a torque converter, planetary gears, and a self-operated hydraulic system for changing gears. In an automatic transmission, the driver selects drive or reverse, and the transmission changes gears based on the vehicle's speed and load. The torque converter allows the engine to keep running, even when the vehicle is stopped. Automatic transmissions are very convenient to use, making them popular among commuters. They are user-friendly and require less effort to operate. However, they are often criticized for lack of distinct gear shifts compared to manual transmissions. And in the past, there have been issues with automatic transmission durability, although significant improvements have been made in technology. Finally, we have a more recent innovation, the continuously variable transmission, or CVT. A CVT uses a system of belts and pulleys to create a continuous gear ratio without fixed gears. It provides smooth acceleration without the distinct changes of gear shifts. It adjusts the continuous ratio between engine speed and wheel speed. The operation of CVT gear configuration is smooth and efficient, often improving fuel efficiency. It is becoming increasingly popular in modern cars. Some drivers may have trouble missing the traditional gear changes, and in the past, there have been durability issues with CVTs, although significant improvements have been made in technology. To summarize, manual transmissions offer a more engaging driving experience and better fuel efficiency, but require more skill to operate. Automatic transmissions are more convenient and user-friendly, but may lack the distinct gear shifts of a manual transmission. CVTs provide smooth and efficient operation, improving fuel efficiency, and are becoming increasingly popular in modern cars. Each type of transmission has its advantages and disadvantages, and the choice depends on your driving style and preferences. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of car transmissions.